everyone, it's me Sherry. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we have a little type of first impressions video. So I got this little set off of Sephora because I wanted to see how the Rare Beauty stuff actually worked. So I don't have any cheek product on and I don't have any lip product on because I want to use this little set and see how it works. So this is the best of Rare Beauty, it says. This came to $23 Canadian. It's only a little tiny set, but I just wanted to try it out. And whoever goes through a full liquid blush or a full liquid lipstick anyway, this isn't a liquid lipstick, a full lipstick or lip balm. So this little set includes, it's a lip and cheek duo 2-piece mini set. So it includes a balm and a blush. Okay. So this is way too small for me to read, so I can't read that. I'm pretty sure I'll get the colors for you guys. So this is what the outer packaging looks like, and like I said, it was $20, $23 with tax Canadian, and it's just a little tiny set. But I just, like I said, I wanted to try this out and see what it was like. So inside you get this cute little tiny blush, and I believe this is better sizing. This is in the color Bliss. So it's a very, I'm sorry, I'm a little off here because I don't know why. If I sit straight in my desk, I'm like way over here. So I have to sit like over this way so I can be more centered. I'll figure that out later. I don't know what happened with that. But anyway, this is like a, I don't know, like a neutral pinky blush. It's can be worn with pretty much anything, I think. And then this is the Rare Beauty. I don't even know what these are called. But this is in the color, oh geez, I'm not going to be able to read that. You know, I really should take my magnifying glass in with me because you guys all know that I can't see very well. So, I really should be bringing my magnifying glass in with me. Thankful. It's called Thankful. And this is what the color looks like. So I'm squinting to see that, but you know. So I wanted to try out, these are two of their popular products. The blush are very popular. I hear a lot of people like the blush. So, and like I said, who goes through a full cream blush? If I do go through this full one, then maybe I'll consider repurchasing full size. But the full sizes are always sold out. That's how popular they are. All right, let's see if I can, we're going to demo these. I actually powdered my face stupidly, so I hope that doesn't affect anything. I have a tiny stipple brush right here, but it should be enough to do what I gotta do. So let's try it. I'll swatch these for you guys first though, of course. Okay, here's what the color Bliss looks like. See, it's just a very, and obviously you're going to shear that out. So if you shear it out, maybe it's more of a peachy nude. So it looks like that. I don't know what it's described as on the website. And here is what Thankful looks like. And this is like a sheer, well, it's not that sheer, I guess. It's supposed to be more like a balmy color. So we'll try that one last. Let's get some wipes because I'll end up making a mess of myself. These are Rare Beauty's holiday sets too. So they, this is what they came out with for the holidays, and they have more. I'm considering getting the lip souffle set as well, just because I like trying out different liquid lipsticks. All right, hopefully we don't make a mess of this. Let's just put my hair back behind my ears, and let's just go for it. It seems like it shears out pretty good, so I'm going to dot it on my cheeks. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. Hopefully I can see what I'm doing. I'll just do that, put it in, and let's pray that it doesn't dry before I get a chance to really work it into the skin. This brush might be too small and I might have used too much color, but we can also use a sponge. Sorry guys, I want you guys to be able to see what I'm doing. That's pretty. That's actually really pretty. I like that. It just gives you the slightest flush. It might be better with a sponge. So we're going to have to put the same amount on this side, even if it's too much. And it's probably a better idea if you go in before you put powder on, because I didn't, and now I think that might be why I was having issues blending it. I think I put it up a little too high on this cheek, but that's okay. I'm not going anywhere, so it doesn't have to be a perfect application, but that looks really pretty. I like that. So I'm going to see how it wears. And yeah, first impressions though, I really like it. And I really like the color, and I like how it blends out on the cheeks. It just makes me look like I have a natural flush. All right, let's try this. I bet you this is going to be nice and moisturizing. I'm sorry, I'm going to have the mirror up in your way. Very moisturizing and very nude. Goes with this eye look and goes with the blush perfectly. So if you're thinking about Rare Beauty and you don't want to go and purchase like full sizes of everything, these are good ways to go, because it's a way to test out the products before you dive into full size. I mean, they don't have the foundation, but these are generous. For $20, these are generous amounts of product, I think. I'm going to put these into my monthly rotation and get more use out of them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little first impressions video. I'm trying to do as many of these little holiday kits as I can. I have a few of them. I don't know when they're all going up, but I do have 3 other ones that are recorded so far, and then I'm going to have another one coming. And so I hope you guys are liking them. I'm trying to put them up on like Tuesdays, and I hope you guys are enjoying them. So anyway, thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new to my channel. And the little post notification bell. I tend to upload on Tuesdays and Thursdays until Vlogmas comes. I'm gearing up for Vlogmas already. I have some videos in mind that I want to do for that. So sit down videos and vlogs, so then that way I'm not like stretched out as much sort of thing, and some days there's just not much to vlog. So yeah, so anyway, I hope you guys are all doing well, and I will talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye everyone.